Are you stuck spending hours every day replying to the same Instagram DMs over and over? What if you could automate all of that and free up your time? In this video, I'll walk you through how to set up Instagram DM automation for a salon using WotNot, a powerful AI agent that replies instantly, handles customer queries, and even books appointment requests, all from within Instagram. So let's dive right in. Start by signing into WotNot and click Build a Bot. Choose Instagram as your channel. This lands you on the Bot Builder canvas, which is basically like a workspace where you build the conversation flow of your chatbot. Let's start by renaming our bot. Now let's add an agent block to the flow. Think of this as the brain of the chatbot. It understands context, answers complex questions, and carries on conversations just like a human. Let's now create an AI agent and rename it to Sales Agent. To give this AI brain its personality and purpose, we need to write a prompt. Think of it as giving the AI a backstory, telling it who it is, what it should do, and how it should respond. WotNot has a feature to automatically generate a prompt for you. Just type what you need, and in a few seconds, it will create a prompt for you. For now, I will paste a prompt that I created for this demo. Great! So far, our AI agent is doing a good job answering questions, but it's stuck in a loop. What if someone actually wants to book an appointment? We need the AI to start collecting their details. That's where paths come in. Paths let the bot exit the loop and take action. Let's create a path called Book Appointment. Next, we'll tell the AI when to trigger this path by saying when the user shows interest in our services and wants to book an appointment. Once this path is triggered, we'll ask a few quick questions to collect the user's name, email, the service they want, and their preferred date and time. This way, your AI agent isn't just answering questions. It's actually capturing leads and helping convert them into appointments. Finally, let's select GPT-4o as our AI model for its speed and accuracy. Now, to make the AI agent even smarter, let's train it with information about Forest Salon, like what they do, where they're based, and the services they offer. We'll do this by turning on the knowledge base and creating a new one. Ideally, the best way to keep the knowledge base up to date is by adding your website as a data source. That way, any updates to your site are automatically reflected in the bot's responses. But for this demo, we're going to upload a PDF document that includes all the important details like their services, branch locations, pricing, and more. Once it's added, the AI agent will rely only on this data to answer questions, helping it stay on topic and avoid making things up. Now that our bot can collect appointment leads, let's make sure your team gets notified. WotNot supports CRM integrations, but for this demo, we'll keep it simple and send an email alert. Just enter the email address where you want to receive the lead notifications. Also, turn on the chat transcript option. This ensures the email includes a full summary of the conversation. This way, your team can follow up quickly and never miss a potential customer. Next, let's end the flow politely. We'll add a simple send a message block saying, "Thank you for your details. We will get back to you shortly." Now let's test the Instagram chatbot to make sure everything's working the way we planned. First, we'll ask, "What services do you offer?" And see the bot responds instantly, sharing all the details. Next, let's ask, "Where are you located?" And it instantly replies with the salon's address and opening hours. Finally, let's test the appointment booking flow. Okay, everything looks good. The bot is working exactly how we want. Once you're happy with the bot, connect it to your Instagram. Make sure your Instagram is a business account. Head to Settings, Channel, Instagram, and click Connect to Instagram. Approve all permissions in the Meta pop-up. Once done, you'll see your Instagram business page in the panel. Now, to trigger the agent you built for your business page, we will go back to the canvas, open Trigger, and choose this page. And then, hit Deploy. Your Instagram chatbot is now officially live. And that's it! Your Instagram DM automation is up and running, answering FAQs, booking appointments, and capturing leads, all while you focus on growing your business. Want to see how it works for you? Take a 14-day free trial of WotNot or book a demo today. The link is in the description.